What's up, guys? What's going on, DGens? All right, so JASMY coin and Onyx coin are going to go way higher in price than most people think that they will. And I'm going to show you why, okay? So pay attention to this. Okay, first, let's look at JASMY up 10.9% on the day, up 8.1% on the week, 88.3% on the month, and 648% on the year. Rank 68, $2.12 billion market cap, 637 million in volume. We'll go over to XCN. We're going to look at both of these projects. So XCN's up 4 spots in rank to 593, 12.8% up on the day, down actually 12.4% on the week, up 55.5% on the month, and up 18.3% on the year, waiting for its big leg up. 77.70 million in market cap, 5.70 in volume. All right, let's go to the tail of the tape. First, let's go look over at the JASMY chart. We had a really good close today, guys. Really good daily close for JASMY, above 4 cents 4. Sitting at 4 cents 367 right now. And I told you guys, what matters is where these candles close, not where they go between candle closes. If this red candle we're in today now wicks all the way back down to this resistance level tonight, doesn't matter. What matters is where it closes. Can it climb all the way back up and be in the close above 4 cents 4 again by tomorrow, like this one did? That's what we'll be paying attention to on the daily time frame, right? Going over to Bitcoin real quick, because Bitcoin's relevant to what everything else is going to do, right? So Bitcoin closed at over $101,000, guys. So we had a great close on Bitcoin, but I need to see us break out of this this pattern we have going on here right now to the upside before I'm super bullish. A couple more closes. I'd like to see us, if we can get up between $103,000 and $104,000. There is I can't remember. I think it's over 4 billion. 4.5 billion in liquidations in shorts that are going to happen above there. So there's a massive amount of sell orders around there. Shorts, sorry, not sell orders, shorts. So those are going to get liquidated, guys, unless those people bail out of their positions. Either way, they're either going to bail or get liquidated, and the price is going to continue to the upside. So things are looking good. We had a great close on the daily time frame for both JASMY and for Bitcoin. So first, let's go and have a look over at Onyx coin. All right, so Onyx coin, guys, 2 cents or 20246 right now, right? $76.9 million market cap. Now, I'm hearing a lot of rumbling of people saying, well, it's only going to get between 1 to 3 cents in the peak of a euphoric, blow off top altcoin season. Parabolic altcoin season. Okay, I'm going to tell you why that is unrealistic to say that it's going to top off there. Okay, now let's go over and look at Swift. Because Swift coin, $85.5 million market cap. Swift, before it had its run up for about 2 weeks ago, it ran up, and it was at the price that Onyx coin is at right now. It was at 202. And in 2 weeks, in a non-parabolic part of a bull run, we're not in altcoin season right now. We're not in a parabolic part of a bull run. In 2 weeks, Swift coin at the same price that Onyx coin is at right now ran up to it got as high as 1 cent 1 before pulling back down to 2095. Okay. So if you compare the two, market caps are almost exactly the same. Tokenomics are almost exactly the same in terms of percentage in circulation, right? Utility is fantastic. I'm actually going to show you why there's more incentive for Onyx coin to go higher than Swift, because with the incentives on the staking, 34.42% APR, a lot of people over on our Patreon are staking, almost everyone, and they're just gaining interest like crazy right now. There is a big incentive for a good, strong TVL in their ecosystem, right? And we're only going to see that increase as these proposals move forward, right? So as we're waiting for Onyx core to come out as well. So with the TVL, you know, getting higher and higher as more and more wallets come into the ecosystem, and we see more and more people staking because they know about it, right? That means that there's less tokens in circulation, which means that the price is going to go even higher. Now that's one leg up on what Swift can do. So in saying that, guys, it could most definitely do what Swift did. It can go way. This is just one of many, many reasons why I believe that Onyx Coin, XEN, can get, if not close to its all-time high, past its all-time high of 18 cents, right? That, I believe, the market cap would only be... I mean, for the market cap to get back to its all-time high market cap would be right now, because of dilution, which was very, very minimal in the bear market, be about 13, 14 cents in terms of market cap all-time high. So would you take a 13, 14 cent Onyx coin? I know I sure as heck would, right? And that's it, not even going into new all-time highs. I have every reason to believe that Onyx coin most definitely can go into blue sky territory in this bull run. This will be its real first full altcoin season, first full euphoric parabolic bull run. So that is going to be absolutely amazing. It's going to be so much fun. Okay, so moving over to JASMY. Let me pull up the JASMY chart. All right, so I'm going to use H-bar as a comparison to JASMY in the last bull run, okay? Because H-bar was close to the same price right now that JASMY is, right? H-bar back in January 5th of 2021, which is only a couple of weeks from now, right? It's like 2.5 weeks or something like that, 3 weeks from now, something like that, right? So sideways, December, got into January, and then H-bar, like I said, it was around 3 cents, 3.5 cents, right? Pretty close to where JASMY is right now. And I would note that I'll show you a few things after. Let me show you this part first, actually. Okay, I don't want to twist and turn things too much, so just let me show you this first. Okay, so it's around 3 cents. Okay, then on January 5th, it started its leg up. It had a big move right here on January 8th, kind of pulled back a little bit, really started moving up, worked its way up between January 5th and about March 4th. So January, February, beginning of March, right? It worked its way up, kind of a melt up phase like we talk about, and then it just went nuts. It worked its way up to about 15 cents, okay, between January and the beginning of March, and then it went all the way up. It wicked all the way up to 45 cents. But if we go to the full candle body, it got as high as 40 cents, 3.3, right? And that was on March 15th, the middle of March, right? Now, if you're on the Patreon, you know the importance of the middle to the end of March, right? Because you know, we talk about it. If you don't know, get over to the Patreon because you're going to want to know, right? So between March 4th and March 15th, so about 11 days, right? H-bar went on a run of about 176% from then, right? And it was all from that point, it was 14, almost 15 cents, right? Now, from the same price of JASMY around the same time frame, because I see some people saying, oh, 10 cents tops and stuff like that, right? So between that time frame, would you take, let me ask you this, if you're holding JASMY right now, I know a lot of people are saying $1. JASMY's not going to $1, guys. Okay, I've done a million price predictions on this and stuff. Very similar to Dogecoin. When everyone's calling for $1, it's going to underperform that by about 30%, right? That's where you should be targeting, because everybody else, just like Dogecoin, they were saying $1, $1, went to 72 cents, crapped out, right? Same thing will happen. Don't get stuck on those psychological levels with the rest of the sheep, right? You don't want to do that. If you don't have an exit plan, guys, get over to the Patreon and we will help you design one to make sure that that does not happen to you, okay? So would you take a 40-cent JASMY? Especially if you got an entry point of 204, 205, 206, 207. Would you take a 40-cent JASMY? And look how quickly that happened, right? Look how quickly that happened. A couple of months. Then we had, look what we had here. Oh, look, April, May, June. What do we talk about, right, over on the Patreon? You know. And then we started to melt our way back up. And then H-bar wicked all the way up to 57 cents. And then, you know, on a wick, but for a full body candle, 50 cents. 50 cents, 554, right? So, again, same price as JASMY. Now I'm going to show you why JASMY has just as good as an opportunity, right? Because one of the reasons was H-bar's market cap, when it did that, H-bar's market cap down at the bottom before it got started was $261 million, right? It got to the top. It got as high as 6.683 billion. Entirely possible for JASMY to do that. I wouldn't be shocked to see JASMY's market cap go way higher than that, to be honest with you, right? Now, the other thing is that the tokenomics are way better on JASMY than H-bars were, right? Way better. H-bars tokenomics are still they're okay. They're pretty good now, actually. But that's because they have been diluting the circulating supply on a regular basis for the last 3 years through the bear market, right? They had way less tokens in circulation when the price did this. Way less, okay? So absolutely JASMY could do the exact same thing that H-bar did, 40 to 50 cents. And that's what I tell people. If you get up around 40 cents, you should be thinking about taking profits around that time. Do not sit there listening to people telling you psychological levels, this, that, and the other thing. Okay. But there are people out there that are saying JASMY can't beat 10 cents. It's not going to go any higher than 10 to 15 cents. So I'm showing you both with JASMY and with Onyx coin why history in the market says otherwise. Okay. So click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me over on the Patreon, guys. If you've never been through an altcoin season before, euphoria can go crazy, guys. There is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who have been through multiple altcoin season and can help you figure out where to put your sell orders in, how to create an exit strategy, how to have a profit-taking plan, okay? If you don't have one, do not get left behind, guys. You're going to end up selling too soon or too late. You don't want to round trip it to the next bull run. 4 years is a long time to hold your altcoins because you didn't know what you were doing. We do group Zoom calls over there every single evening, okay? Join the group Zoom calls. You can be a part of the conversation, contribute to the conversation, ask your questions, have your questions answered and heard in real time, and so much more, guys. So get over there, schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me, join our group Zoom calls. You can also take part in passive income opportunities like DeFi staking, node operations, and so much more. Link is down in the description. Again, click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it. I mean, you got to believe a guy wearing a green shirt that says alpha, right? Come on. I'll see you guys in the next one.